Hey everybody, how are you? I'm doing another, this isn't a DIY, this is more of me putting in and decorating this container. And if you remember right, this container I used for Christmas, and I put this candle that I grunged up. Remember, this was the Halloween candle with Mod Podge and cinnamon. And I think I used pumpkin spice on this too, if I'm not mistaken, and coffee grounds. Okay, then, all right, so that's what I did for Christmas. Remember, and I put the gingerbread man that I made out of the cinnamon and some picks and all that. Okay, now for Valentine's, what I want to do, look, here's a piece of the from Christmas, but I'm going to keep it because it's green and you're not going to see it. It helps to fill up. So I'm using the same piece of styrofoam, okay, that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to stick that in, and I've had this little, what do you call this? It's not a case, like a little chest, if you will. Okay, and I love the color. I've had it forever and ever. Okay. So, went ahead, put this back in just like I did before. Not going to adhere it down because don't know what I'll want to do with this later. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put that there to kind of keep that where it's at. I'm going to go ahead and use one of these bamboo skewers, okay, with one of the cupcakes that I made. And I'm going to put it in here because I want this to be able to stand up higher, and this will anchor in better into the styrofoam, okay? Then I have this X, and I got XO from Hobby Lobby. Now, don't be surprised if this gets painted. It might not, but if it does, when you see my home tour for Valentine's, just, you know that I told you. I'm thinking about doing it the dark brown with the white polka dots like I did the cookie. So I'm thinking about doing that. We'll see. So I have this that's going to go into it. I also have some lamb's ear and a couple of the Dollar Tree pink roses. These pink roses, I was very impressed with these. These are really very cute. And to add to it, I'm just going to put what I usually have in my 3-tier, I love you, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck, and one of our cinnamon hearts that we made, just like we made the cinnamon and applesauce gingerbread. Okay, so now let's just start putting it together. Usually I don't do this on camera. I just show you what I've done after I've done it. So, okay, I want the candle to stand up high. So I'll put it on the styrofoam. Let's see if you can see that. Well, you'll see it all once I'm done. I'll show you. Okay, and then I'm going to lay some of that lamb's ear in here. Oh, I don't think I want to do that because I'm going to have this X kind of laying. Then I think I'll put this and just kind of nestle it in here. And then I'll put this heart that we made with the cinnamon, nestle that down in there. And then this cupcake, I'm going to have to cut off a little bit or I'll just break it off. It's not a big deal. See, this way I can put it higher or lower, but I know it's anchored in. Okay, and again, because I wanted the pink and the browns in my kitchen. This works out perfect. Then I want to put a couple of these roses in here. Okay, and now I'm going to take a little bit more. I really like this color. You know what color I think I'm really going to be into for spring and Easter, actually? I can't even believe I'm saying it. Is yellow and gray. I have never been a yellow person, but the lemon and all that, I do think that's what you're going to see in my decor. Okay, so I'm just going to put that right there. Put one more of these pink roses. And that is going to be all she wrote. So I like the way this is just leaning. And I will show you where I'm going to put it in just a minute. Hey everyone, how are you doing? Now the sun's coming in a weird way, so you're getting that, like that haze. Sorry. Okay, here is the XO that I did the other day and painted on my live. And this is what it looks like in the container that we put together. So there's what that looks like. So I hope that you will try these, and until next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.